most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Question is integration of 10x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x log e10 upon x to the power 10 plus 10 to x dx. You know integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. So if numerator is derivative of the denominator, then our answer is log of denominator. So here x10 10x derivative is what? Numerator, that is 10x to the power 9 plus 10 to the x log e10. So our correct answer is log of x10 plus 10 to the power x. So our correct answer is D option is right. Let us see the question. Integration of 1 upon sine square x into cos square x dx. For this type of question, important trick, 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x. And here sine square x into cos square x dx. So we can write sine square x upon sine square x cos square x cancel out. So we will get 1 by cos square. So 1 by cos square x is sec square. Again cos square x upon sine square x into cos square cancel 1 by sine square. So 1 by sine square x is what? Cosec square x dx. So integration of sec square x is what? 10x. Integration of cosec square is what? Minus cot x. So correct answer is 10x minus cot x plus c. So B is the correct answer. See the question. Question is integration of sine square x minus cos square x upon sine square x into cos square dx. So this type of questions we can write sine square x upon this. So sine square cancel, we were 1 by cos square. So 1 by cos square x is what? Sec square x. And this is cos square x upon this. So cos square cancel 1 by sec square. 1 by sine square. So 1 by sine square is what? Cosec square. So sec square x minus cosec square dx. Integration of sec square x is what? 10x. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So minus minus plus. So this is what? Plus cot x plus c. So our right answer is 10x plus cot x plus c is the correct answer. Question is integration of ex into 1 plus x upon cos square ex into x dx. For this type of question, put t equal to what? Ex into x. So dt by dx equal to product rule ex into derivative 1 plus x into derivative ekx. So ekx is common, you will get 1 plus x. So integration of ex into 1 plus x divide. This is cos square t and dx can be written as dt upon ex into 1 plus x. So this is cancel out. Integration of 1 by cos square t sec square t. So this is 10t. So 10t plus c. We know t equal to ex into x. So this is 10 e to the power x into x plus c. This is your correct answer. Question is what? Integration of 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2t. For this type of question, integration equal to 1 upon. We can write x square to equal to like x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So that is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square dx. So we know integration of 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a. So a is 1. So this is 1. Tan inverse x by a. So x is x plus 1 upon 1 plus c. So our correct answer is what? Tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. So our correct answer is what? B option. Let us see the question. Question is the degree of differential equation. D square y dx power 3 dy by dx whole square sine dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0. So we have to find degree of this differential equation. So you know here sine is what? Dy by dx. In the place of theta there is a dy by dx. So when any trigonometric function at theta is a dy by dx, then degree of the equation is not possible, not defined. So here our correct answer is what? Not defined. So anytime if any trigonometric function have dy by dx as a theta, then degree of differential equation is not defined. Question is the order of differential equation 2x square d square by d square minus 3 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So we have to find order of this differential equation. So what is the meaning of order? Order means highest derivative. Okay. So here 2x square d square by d square. So here we have differentiate two times. Here dy by dx, this is the first derivative. So order of differential equation is what? 2, because here maximum number of derivative is what? 2. So d square by d square means second derivative. So order of differential equation is what? 2. So our correct answer is what? A option. See the question. Question is if A and B are two events such that probability of A does not equal to 0 and probability of B by A equal to what? 1. Then which of this option is true? A subset of B, B subset of A, B equal to 5, A equal to 5. For this type of question, first you see what is given. Here probability of B by A is 1. And we know B by A means probability of B intersection A upon probability of 1. So this is probability of B intersection A is what? Probability of A. So this is possible only if A is a subset of B. So our correct answer is what? A is subset of B. Let us see the question. Question is f of x equal to 8x cube and g of x equal to h to the power 1 by 3. Then find GOF, GOF. So for this type of question, GOF equal to what? G of f of x. So we know g of f of x is already given 8x cube. So this is 8x cube. So now this is g of x. So g of x is x to the power 1 by 3. So 8x cube to the power 1 by 3. So we know 8 cube is what? 2. So this is 2x. So 2x is the correct answer. Question is integration of 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square dx. For this type of question, see. So first condition is what? Integration I equal to 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square dx. This is the first. And we know the property of definite integration is what? It is integration of 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus a. So we can use this property. So I equal to integration of 0 to pi. X means a minus x, so this is pi minus x. And this is sine of pi minus x. Again 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. So we can write integration of 0 to pi minus x sine x, because sine into pi minus x is what? In second quadrant sine is positive. So this is sine x. Here cos square of pi minus x. So cos pi minus negative, but it's the square, so it will be positive. So this is 1 plus cos square. So this is second equation. Now adding first and second, we will get I plus I equal to integration of 0 to pi. This is x sin x. My x sin x plus. This is pi sin x minus x sin x. And divide 1 plus cos square. So this cancel out. So we will get what? This is pi is common, so integration of 0 to pi. And this is sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So this is what? 2i. So I equal to what? This is pi by 2 integration of 0 to pi. This is sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So if we put, again there is a property, we can use here property. So what is the property? That is integration of 0 to 2a. F of x dx equal to twice 0 to a f of x dx. We can use, yes, this property. Okay. So I equal to what? Pi by 2 into twice 0 to a. This is 2a, so a will be pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2. And this is sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So this 2 and this 2 is cancel out. Now we can write, this is I equal to pi into this. So if we put t equal to cos x, then dt by dx equal to what? Minus sin x. So we can write dx equal to what? Minus dt by minus dt upon sin x. So I equal to integration of, I equal to, this is pi, and then integration of 0 to pi by 2. But here t equal to cos x. So when t is 0, so what is this? This is the 0, so x is 0. So cos 0 is 1. So lower limit is 1. And here pi by 2. So when x pi by 2, this is cos 90. So cos 90 is what? 0. And now it is sin x upon 1 plus cos square. So from here you can see this is dx equal to what? Minus dt by sin. So this sin x will be cancelled out. So we will get only 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So this is what? And this is minus of dt. Right? So dt will come here, it become minus pi. And integration of 1y 1 plus square tan inverse x. So this is what? Tan inverse t. Upper limit is 0, lower is 1. So we can use minus pi. Okay. So this is minus pi into tan inverse 0. So tan inverse 0 is 0 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. So minus pi into pi by 4 is what? Pi square by 4. So our correct answer is what? Pi square by 4 is the correct answer. So we can solve this type of question in this way, in a very easy way.